How to use Shopee Mall for quality products. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Shopee Mall for quality products. For this, you want to open the Shopee app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have opened this, on the home screen, you have the Mall option. Go ahead and tap on that. It will bring you to the Shopee Mall option. Now, for quality products, you want to search for branded and authentic products. Shopee Mall features products from trusted global and local brands. You want to use the search bar within the Shopee Mall to find the specific brand you are looking for. Now, when choosing, make sure that you choose products from official stores to guarantee authenticity and quality. Next thing you want to do is take advantage of the exclusive offers. Shopee Mall vouchers and bundle deal offers are given over here, so make sure that you use them. Shopee Mall also offers exclusive vouchers for discounts, free shipping, and cashback. Be sure to visit the voucher section and apply these vouchers during checkout. You also want to utilize the return and refund policy. One of the key benefits of Shopee Mall is the 15-day return policy. If you're unsatisfied with the product, you can return it within 15 days for a refund. As you can see in Shopee Mall, you also have sale events going on. Here you have the shocking sale. So you can simply buy different products during this sale. And in this way, you can use the Shopee Mall for quality products. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.